The Certified Management Accountant (CMA) certification awarded by the Institution of Management Accountants (IMA) is globally recognized and highly regarded in the fields of management, accounting, and financial strategy. The USCMA exam is divided into two parts, each designed to assess your understanding of key concepts and core competencies in management accounting. And in today's video, we're decoding the complete syllabus of the USCMA Part 1. This will help you plan your preparation with clarity and confidence. Part 1 of the USCMA exam is designed to evaluate a candidate's foundational knowledge and analytical ability in key areas of management accounting. The exam comprises of 100 multiple questions and 2 essay-type questions, all to be completed within a 4-hour time frame. To proceed to the essay section, candidates must attempt at least 50% of the MCQs. The essay section typically presents real-world business scenarios where candidates are expected to analyze, interpret, and respond using both written communication and applied knowledge. This part of the exam is divided into 6 modules, each with a specific weightage in terms of marks and importance. These modules collectively cover a broad spectrum of topics including financial reporting, budgeting, performance analysis, cost control and internal controls, and the use of technology and data analytics in decision making. Understanding the structure and focus of each module is essential for effective preparation and overall success in the exam. Part 1 is divided into 6 modules. Each has a specific weightage. Let's go through them one by one. This section focuses on understanding a business' current financial position and forecasting its future performance. It includes the application of fundamental accounting principles, tax considerations, financial summaries, statements, and relevant disclosures. Candidates are expected to identify the key elements of an integrated report such as the organizational overview and external environment, governance, business model, risk and opportunities, strategy and resource allocation, performance, outlook, and the basis of preparation and presentation. In relation to financial statements prepared under the US GAAP, candidates should also demonstrate knowledge of different consolidation models, a clear understanding of consolidation accounting, and the treatment of intra-company balances and transactions. Through careful planning, organizations are better prepared to face potential risks and reduce their impact. In this CMA USA course module, learners develop practical business skills in planning and budgeting. The module offers an in-depth exploration of budgeting, covering key concepts, various methodologies, and financial projections, and cash flow analysis for businesses. Strategic financial management in this context emphasizes risk management, capital structure decisions, and mergers and acquisitions. Candidates will learn how to assess investment opportunities, manage financial risk, and deliver value to stakeholders. Understanding and applying different budgeting methodologies is an essential part of this module. The performance management process enables stakeholders to remain informed of all financial developments. This module explores cost and various analysis, performance metrics, business performance evaluation, profitability analysis, the development of a balanced scorecard, and the creation of key performance indicators (KPIs) for any business. It involves analyzing performances in relation to operational goals using metrics based on revenue, manufacturing costs, and non-manufacturing costs, and profit depending on the nature of the sector or unit being assessed. Candidates will gain an understanding of the importance of aligning performance evaluation measures with strategic and operational objectives, the value of providing timely feedback, and the need for performance metrics to be closely tied to the factors that influence the element being measured. CMAs have a specialized skill set designed to manage transactional data effectively, including cost control, profit tracking, and strategic cost planning. In this module, students explored the complexities of cost estimation based on historical records and learn to control expenses through strategic planning. The module also provides comprehensive insights into costing systems, measurement methods, cost behavior, supply chain management, lean management techniques, ERP, and value resource planning, and various principles of cost management. This Part 1 module emphasizes internal controls and covers a wide range of business control areas. Students explore financial planning controls, cost controls, risk management compliance, audits, and governance, each playing a vital role in the success of any organization. The module also explains the two main types of inspections, internal and external, highlighting the importance of internal audits and controlling and improving operational efficiency and productivity. It provides guidance on designing effective internal control systems and governance structures tailored to specific business requirements. Analytic plays a crucial role in integrating historical financial reports with risk assessments. As a result, businesses increasingly look for professionals who not only have strong accounting knowledge but also excel in data analytics and technology tools. A certified management accountant (CMA) must be skilled in applying analytics, utilizing technology, and leveraging data to build effective accounting systems and practices suited to any industry or business. This module emphasizes the understanding of accounting information systems, data governance, process automation, application tools, and business intelligence. It also involves demonstrating a clear understanding of various accounting system cycles, including revenue to cash expenditures, production, human resources, and payroll, financing, property, plant, and equipment, along with general ledger and reporting systems. Now you must be wondering why this part is so important in the US CMA exams. Well, financial planning isn't just a concept, it's the foundation of every successful business strategy. In the CMA Part 1 exam, this topic plays a major role in preparing you for real-world challenges. Here's how. Number 1. Helps set clear financial goals and budgets. It allows businesses to define direction and stay focused on measurable outcomes. Number 2. Ensures smart resource allocation. Financial planning helps assign the right resources to the right areas, leading to better profitability and reduced waste. Number 3. Enables strategy forecasting. Businesses can anticipate trends, plan ahead, and ensure long-term financial sustainability. Number 4. Builds a risk-aware, data-driven mindset. CMAs are trained to analyze data, manage uncertainty, and align financial plans with business strategy. So mastering this module gives you the tools to make sound decisions and drive business success. Now that you've got a detailed overview of the US CMA Part 1 syllabus, it's time to take the next step in your CMA journey. By mastering these core concepts and modules, you will build analytical skills and strategic mindset needed to succeed as a certified management accountant. So why wait? Start your preparation with FinPlan Edu and experience a smooth, effective, and guided path towards your US CMA career now. Enroll today and take your first step towards becoming a globally recognized finance professional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tips, insights, and updates for your US CMA preparation. Got questions or thoughts about the CMA Part 1 syllabus? Drop them in the comments below and we'd love to hear from you and help you out. Share this video with your fellow CMA aspirants and help them kickstart their journey too. We'll see you in the next video, and until then, all the best for your CMA journey. You've got this.